Hello guys, review tablet Huawei MediaPad T10S. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have table, okay, tablet, adapter for charging, key for slot, and this we have instructions and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Ten 10-inch display, front camera, middle body, front main camera, front camera we have this, key for volume keys and power key. On this side speaker, on this side speaker, USB Type-C cable, slot for SIM cards and SD cards, and headphones jack we have on this side. Okay, turn on device. Full HD resolution, about tablet, CPU high Huawei Kirin 710, RAM 3 GB RAM memory and 64 GB Intel memory, full HD resolution. Okay, close this. Look AnTuTu benchmark results. AnTuTu benchmark results and run demanded game Asphalt 9. Okay, game load. Game works good, without lags and glitches. Okay, and now talk about camera. I'll show you photos on the main 8 megapixel camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.